Hi guys, it's Ellie
and Nora
and today we're going to be opening up these cool toys
that we found.
Yes, and the next video we're going to be opening up these two. This rare
special edition.
I forget what it's called.
MojMoj.
MojMoj. And we have this cupcake.
And I hope you stay tuned for our next video.
Yes.
And smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications.
From red to gray.
I mean, it's supposed to go.
No, because red is top.
Oh yeah. So just turn it.
I'm already unwrapping mine.
Can we go get that unwrapped? You don't have to wait for
If you
me.
need help,
I can help.
I can start it with a little knife.
I got it.
And did you see there's a zipper thing right here?
I know.
Okay. I'm getting ready to pop mine.
You're getting ready.
Yes.
I'm actually gonna pop it.
No, but I'm getting ready to pop it. Yes. And there's another zipper too. Zippers on the back. Zipper on the back. Zippers on the back. I can do a zipper if you want me to. Yeah.
Why did they have to wrap it 2 times?
Who wants to go first? How about Yes goes first?
Now, how about we both go at the same time?
1, 2, 3.
Whoa, yeah. Nice.
I want to flip that over so I have no idea what it is.
Oh, you got a little message.
Don't flip it. I already have this one.
Aww.
Wait, no I don't.
Oh, you don't have that one.
What smell is this?
Can I check to see that? Oh, what did we get over there? What dummy did we get?
I'm not sure. It just looks like this. Looks like this.
It's supposed to smell like strawberries.
Let's see.
Hold on.
Wait. Oh, smell. It's so strong, but it's so yummy.
Let's see. Wait, what did you say again? What was this again?
A dummy.
No. What were these?
Those are dummies.
No. What section was it away?
I don't know.
Comment.
Let's just find it. There's a flip it.
Oh yeah, it might be on the side.
Oh wait, hold on. I think I found it. It's right here.
It is right. It's a mouse. It's a mouse.
I can't tell which one we got.
Confetti!
I don't know which one we got.
Whatever it's okay.
So
It'd be nice if we knew what it smelled like, though. Or,
I want to keep that.
I don't know what it smells like.
Okay.
It smells like.
Okay, so what do we get here? Who did you figure it out, Mar?
And yeah, it's a mouse.
Where's the cat?
Oh, it's a rare. That's the one that we got. It's a rare.
Rare!
You got a rare. You got a rare dummy.
Nora did, but
Nora.
she found it.
Yes.
Wait, no, I did. I found it. Wait, no, you did. You
It
found
says. Oh, it smells like cinnamon.
Is it?
Yeah, it's
I
cinnamon.
will bring this one for the next video. I'm just looking the big one.
I'll do.
Then, okay. Hi guys, it's Ellie, and it's one video in one. So,
Yeah.
again, I'm gonna be opening this one.
I'm gonna be opening this one.
Here you can see it better.
Yeah.
Oh, and you guys, I got this mermaid little tattoo.
Yeah.
This is a mermaid. So yeah, let's get into this. Wait, do I even have to open anything? Wait,
Yeah.
no, I do.
Don't
Okay.
that.
Yes, this
Oh,
is
it's
zipper.
tape. This is tape.
I can get it. I love tape.
Oh,
Easy to get off. Okay, I'm done.
I have to untape it, so.
I know. Or I can grab scissors for you.
I got it.
Okay.
Gotta go everywhere.
I love those. Wait, should we switch? So I have to open up that now, and you can just wait. Should we switch?
No. out how to open it.
Oh God. I love those. So yours is super easy. Want me to teach you?
Yeah.
All you have to do.
Oh, there's a brush.
Yeah. So all you have to do is pop this
I
off.
know.
And then
Huh.
1, 2, 3. Here, want me to do
I
this?
know. This is like that.
Do you have one of those?
No, but I just know. 'Cause
Okay, I'm gonna scissors open this.
I pinched them home. They're so cute.
That's the one I got.
So I'm gonna make nuggets and fries for you girls. Is that cool?
Yeah.
I got Elsa nuggets.
What? You can't open it, Ellie. She's so pretty.
Dad, here what it looks like.
What is that? Is that a MojMoj?
I guess. Wait! Whoa!
Whoa, wait a sec. What the heck?
Wait, hold on.
How does it?
Whoa!
What is this?
It's a MojMoj!
I've never seen a MojMoj like this.
Wait, look.
Can I do it? This feels so weird, and it's like it's a pop-out thing.
Yeah, but don't pop it up. Just do that. Okay, do you want to show?
So this is the doll
Can I
that we
see?
got.
I just want to look and see what the rare.
I think we probably got.
We got that one.
We got Cinderella.
What's the M?
We got Cinderella. There's
You didn't
Rapunzel,
get
Snow
Cinderella?
White, Sleeping Beauty.
Whoa! You guys look! Oh!
Look at this. We got Cinderella.
I got a comment.
We got Cinderella.
I got a comment, which is boo.
We got
Cucumbers.
We got Cinderella. This is Cinderella. See, it says Cinderella.
She does not look like Cinderella.
I know. It says Cinderella. I'll bring it up close so you can actually see because it's really hard to. See? We got the one in the purple. See? That's what we got. We got Cinderella. Does it look like Does this look like Cinderella to you?
Cinderella. Yes.
Does it? She has a ponytail. A ponytail.
Oh, I have an extra face. Boing.
What's it? Look.
Oh, you guys, I'm just so. This is what it looks like, and there's a bunny inside when you push it.
Look, she has a ponytail. Cinderella has a bow in her hair.
Ooh, special.
She doesn't have bangs.
Yeah, she does.
She has bangs. She has the side bangs.
In the summer, yes. Guys, I think.
Yes. So this doesn't really look like Cinderella because see, she has a purple dress.
I know that's what's supposed to be. Want me to tell you why? 'Cause look. No. Hold on.
Hey, I want to turn her back into a cupcake.
And guys, so.
So
Whoa! I got this cool sticker.
it's like I just got her. I'm gonna reopen it, okay? I'm gonna reopen this. I'm gonna reopen this, okay? Put it back in the box. Oh my gosh! I wonder what we got. We got Cinderella.
Do you guys want to do the kumquat challenge?
What's that?
See who can eat a kumquat without spitting it out. On YouTube, I'll I'll find the 2 smallest ones.
Wait, can you give us a bowl too, in case we need to spit it out?
Yeah.
I'll
And
do
give
that.
us water too.
Yeah, give us water.
But we love kumquats. Yeah. But
Wait, are
trust
those
me,
the ones off the
orangish
tree?
ones are the sour.
They didn't come off the tree.
No! This is gonna be a really long video.
We're these to the side.
We're obviously gonna spit them out. And if we need to,
Wait, no,
we
we're
have
Oh. What smells like?
It smells so good.
I know. It's supposed to be like that. Isn't it cool?
Yeah, it smells so good. Smell it.
Yes, I get blue.
Ooh.
Okay, I'm gonna have this girl to help me, And her, because I opened up these two.
I'm gonna have these two to help me.
I'm gonna take
Ready to spit out a comma? Ready to spit it out? Yeah. I can't believe these are
All right,
from the
here's
tree.
your spit.
These aren't
bowl.
from the tree.
Okay, so you can eat this whole thing. I would like to. The challenge is who can keep it in their mouth the longest. 3, 2, 1, go. You have to chew it. What? Oh my gosh! You girls.
Another one. Not a kumquat though. Different. You can.
That's all I have is kumquats. Then you got cucumbers and green peppers.
We have multiple bowls.
Here, Dad.
We have multiple bowls.
Just put some here.
We have multiple bowls. I have multiple bowls. And I have some more.
More what? I thought you said no kumquats.
Yes, those. And then we can have the things that you had under those.
What were those?
Listen,
Did you just see something?
Yes.
What did you just see?
I saw chocolate
You
things.
did see chocolate.
Yes. Get out.
Grandma brought those over.
I love these.
Chocolate covered. I forget. Are they cashews?
I hope they're cashews. I love cashews. Wait, no, first we have to eat our healthy stuff.
Yeah. And I'm still making dinner. And there's still vegetables. We got lots. Siege. My daddy loves you so much. All right, girls. Good job with the toys. Sour one?
Yeah. I'm just gonna take a drink.
All right. Can we say goodbye to the YouTubers? Peace out.
Bye.
Peace.
Peace.